Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how you can make a Cash App account if you're under 18. Cash App normally requires users to be at least 18 years old, but there's actually a way for teens between 13 and 17 to use it with the approval of a parent or guardian. Let's go over how it works. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and begin setting up your account like normal. You'll need to enter your phone number or email address and create your Cash App profile. At this stage, since you're under 18, you won't be able to fully unlock features until you get authorization from an adult. To do that, you'll need a parent or guardian to help you. Cash App gives them the option to approve your account directly inside the app. Once they agree, you'll be able to access Cash App's teen account features. These include sending and receiving money, peer-to-peer transfers, using the cash card, and even setting up direct deposits. However, certain features like investing, Bitcoin trading, and borrowing money won't be available until you turn 18. It's important to remember that Cash App requires parental oversight for teen accounts, which means your parent or guardian can see your activity, manage your card, and add money for you. This is meant to keep the account safe and help you learn how to manage money responsibly. So to sum it up, if you're under 18, you can still use Cash App by creating an account and then having a parent or guardian approve it. Once approved, you'll have access to most features that make sending and spending money simple. Subscribe the channel for more videos.